Hello everyone. For this week's tutorial, I'd like to go over all of the sound effects in Scratch. Starting with the first few three, about playing and stopping sounds. The first one, play sound meow until done, will stop all further executions in the script until the sound file it plays has completed its duration. Notice that where the word meow is, there is a drop-down menu. Although by default, meow is the only sound that comes with the object. However, you are given an option to record a new sound using your microphone. The next option, Start Sound Meow, works similar to the first option, except it will continue the script after the sound file is played. It won't wait for the sound file to stop playing. The final option is Stop All Sounds, which simply makes all sounds stop playing exactly where they are. This can be useful for interrupting music mid-game, for example. The next group of options are about the pitch of the sound. Although you can also change the pan left versus right if you have a stereo system, including a left and right system of headphones. A positive amount will make the sound go higher pitched, and a negative amount will make the sound go lower pitched. Similarly, pan left-right follows. A positive amount concentrating the sound in the right speaker, and a negative amount concentrating the sound in the left speaker. The last option is Clear Sound Effects, which keeps the sounds playing, but reduces the custom effects. The final options are about changing volume. So the first one, change volume by amount, will make the sound louder if it is positive, and quieter if it is negative. The next option is set volume level to percentage amount. It is 100 by default. If you increase it beyond 100, it gets louder. If you decrease it below 100, it gets quieter. The very last sound option is the volume used as a variable. Note that like size as a variable, volume as a variable is 100 by default because it is a percentage rather than 1. Now that I've shown you everything about the sound options in the Scratch programming language, I can show you the sound customization tab next week.